How to set Bixby wake up sensitivity to low, medium, or high on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. After that, we then scroll down. And in here, tap on advanced features. Next, we go down and then tap on Bixby. And then tap on voice registration. In here, tap on wake up sensitivity. From the pop-up, you can choose low, medium, or high. Now it said here higher sensitivity may cause unintentional Bixby wakes up. So by default, it has been set to medium. You can choose low or medium. Then tap on OK. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And that is how you can set Bixby sensitivity to low, medium, or high. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.